Mga kalaring, good morning once again. Ayan, so I would like to thank you to all of you who came to my live at this morning from 8 to almost 9 past a.m. at this April 27, 2026. Thank you to all of you, my avid fan, coming to my live who came to my avid friend who came to my live were Dennis Adams, the guitar professional, RT, and of course we have our new friends like Harty, Miles. We have also Isa from Chile and Kuya Gibbs. And sino pa ba yan nandyan? And of course, to our organic friends who came also to my live and to support for me. And we have new friend, Fe Laguna. And Korea Donna. Madonna sana. Thank you for coming. And of course, sino pa ba yung nandyan? So, yun lang so far ang nakikita ko. And to all of you, to all of my avid fans and my organic friends who came to my live. Thank you to all of you. And see you also on my next live. And Jorgito LCM, thank you for coming as well. And sino pa ba yung nandyan na nagpunta kanina? Hindi ko na makita. Ayun. And have a blessed day to all of you and may God bless us.